Hoes.
What's up, y'all?
I'm Elle.
Oh my goodness, you all. What's so funny is we literally practiced before I press play. You all.
I'm Lee.
I'm Elle, and welcome back to Leo. Alright, y'all. So tonight I cooked for my hard-working man. I made some turkey wings. I made mac and cheese, collard greens over rice, and cornbread. Damn! I also made a little dessert.
Yeah! What you over here being messy for?
Don't look at it like that. But we're just gonna get to the dinner right now, right? So go ahead, babe. Hold on a second. Amen. Showing the plate, period. Yeah. Let me see something.
Start off with the rice. That's definitely microwave rice.
What do you mean by that?
Yeah.
You knew that already. He's so messy. He's so messy. All right. See, that's why they think you be butchering me on these videos, because look how you being messy.
We got turkey leg. Let's see what this main time about. You got these out the freezer?
Huh?
Get your ass.
No.
You bought these today?
I bought them yesterday.
Oh. Yeah, these good.
Oh, they what?
They good. That's why actually you got them in the freezer.
Oh, I thought he was trying to talk about like a freezer burn joke or something. I was about to say, it's good.
The turkey. Look good. Let me take the panties out the cornbread.
Did y'all hear what he said? He said,
Hit me! In your panties. In your damn panties.
let me take the panties out the cornbread. Oh my goodness. That's your daddy job. Ultimate panty dropper.
I'm trying to buy some.
You just can't believe it, huh?
Thought so. A little bit dry.
You're so cute. You so cute. Why are you smiling? Kevin.
I'm trying to swallow that cornbread.
I asked if you wanted something to drink before we started.
Man. Let me try to eat green.
Girl, your daddy's a mess.
I'm going a little light on the greens. The seasoning.
It just tastes spicy to me.
greens. Let me try the mac and cheese. She said she put her coochie in this.
Technical difficulty. We have a tech.
What's this green stuff in here?
No.
Oh, that's the mic. I forgot I had got the noodles. That would be ugly.
Yo,
Oh yeah.
this what he brought home.
I forgot.
He ain't gonna try to play me.
I forgot.
That's what you get. Don't try to play me out. That man said, what's the great stuff?
I thought she had put some broccoli in here.
What?
She wasn't lying, though.
Straight no coochie.
Mac and cheese.
I'm done with him. Man, I'm over you right now. Y'all, he's showing his whole black behind. Oh my goodness.
Mac and cheese good.
This man standing in position, legs wide. Oh my goodness. I told y'all he got all this personality. He be on this doggone camera acting all cutesy and stuff. Y'all be thinking I just be talking outside of my neck. I'm glad you showed your personality tonight. That's what that food will do to him. Big mama, big mama, big mama.
Get your bite.
Open wide. Whew. Ate where? Ate where? Ate where? I'm ready for that rating. Go ahead and get a little couple more bites. Do you know you got 30 minutes? Or 30 seconds? They get it. He don't know how to act, y'all. He hasn't had mac and cheese in a minute.
I haven't had it like this in a minute.
I told you. I told you. I told you.
I told you. I told you. You ain't tell me shit. We call her big mama. Might as well go ahead and give a rating.
Give a rating? Still eating.
Okay.
He wasn't gonna drink it.
Yes, I was. That's why I put it in the fridge to cool it. He always do that.
That's been sitting out. When you put that in the refrigerator?
Boo. I got him put that in the fridge this morning.
No. I left this morning and it was still on the couch.
Okay. You left this morning. And when did I get up and put it in the fridge? This morning.
This afternoon.
Yeah, people be thinking he the innocent one and he don't gotta sleep mouth. Y'all keep talking. Keep talking. That's all I want you to do. No, don't get quiet. Yeah, cause that food good. Your in-laws gonna be appalled.
Mac and cheese. That's That's my mother-in-law recipe.
Thank you, Mom.
Tell me how you did it. There's no way I can pay you back. But the plan is to show you that I understand. You all appreciate it.
She raised me right. Our daughter up, y'all. That's why we walking back and forth. You put your bottoms on. You want to make an appearance. That's all it is. You want to make an appearance. That want to be on camera. Yeah, she said, right? You heard her? That girl said, right? That's what I'm talking about. Yeah. Say, my mama just be talking to me regular. She don't talk to me no type of way. So I know how to talk.
Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. We rejoice in the Lord.
Girl, you can get on with Giovanni because, period. Her face look like she look good to me on camera. Listen. We call her Big Lena, Big Lena, Big Lena, Big Lena. We call her Big Lena, Big Le- Girl, you looking at your reflection.
Hey, pretty girl. See
Big Lena, Big Lena. We call her Big Lena, Big Lena, Big Lena. You kisses? Say, Daddy, run mommy that right. Say, run mommy that right. Say, cause she was talking about that meal all day. She was gonna cook and have that meal ready for you. Oh yeah, and FYI, what time it is? 7:51. Cause my mama love to say I be feeding this man late.
7:52.
Anywho, come on, baby.
I ain't must finish my food.
Dang, you want these people to just sit up here and watch you eat? This is all she
I
wanted to
can't
do.
give an honest review if I'm gonna eat it.
They see you ate it. Ain't no eat it, it's ate. It's past tense, it's gone.
How they gone?
I'm gonna put the bruh sound, bruh. We call her Big Lena, Big Lena. Beautiful daughter, beautiful daughter, beautiful daughter. We call her Big Lena, Big Lena. She look 4 months, y'all. Say so slick by my baby. I'm just playing. No, I'm not. Call her Big Lena, Big Lena, Big Lena. She look like her mama. Look, pretty girl, look.
Say cheese.
Thumbnail. We call her Big Lena, Big Lena, Big Lena, Big Lena. We call her Big Lena. Our baby girl gonna be 5 months this month.
Alright, I'm full.
Period.
I ain't much gonna cap.
Say that with your chest bit up.
That was mid. I wouldn't ask for it again. Yeah. Yeah. I wouldn't. I normally get seconds. So I ain't just gonna get seconds.
You got something right here. That's that cap on your shoulders. Come on. Brush that cap off you. Come on.
We're gonna get.
Be a real man. Be the real man I know. Come on.
All right. I give it 9.5. It was what got me. What got me?
What? Yeah. what?
No, what got me was the greens. That's what got me. Everything else was good. Yeah. You went light-handed on the greens. Season.
You said I wasn't?
No, you was.
Because I'm nervous when it comes to you. You be
The
like,
last batch of greens you made was really good. This one, did you put the Miss Garlic in it?
no. Cause no, he always talking about they use all that Miss Garlic. He always getting in my ear when I be in my zone. I know what I'm doing in this kitchen.
No.
I'm done listening to you because I be in my zone.
Did I say that last time?
Babe,
No, I didn't say
you
that last
love to
time.
say, babe, you always put that Miss Garlic in your stuff.
I bought 3 big containers of Miss Garlic, and they gonna be gone in 2 months, maybe.
Y'all, this man be in here eating. Y'all see this? Who feeding him? Oh, okay. Y'all see we pretty festive over here. Vlogmas 2024. Beautiful daughter. Beautiful daughter.
Hey, pretty girl.
Yeah.
Baby boy upstairs.
Yeah, he upstairs. I should run and get him, but ain't no telling how. Should I go get him?
I can grab him.
Oh my God, Grant. Let me go get big boy. Where's his bottom? Upstairs?
Oh yeah, okay.
Big boy. Big boy. All right, y'all. Zamir is sleeping, so he will not be in and out this video with your girl. I made some carrot cupcakes, but baby not in the mood to have any right now, so I'm probably gonna use rating in the next video. I'm just gonna add it in as a little blooper. But as y'all can see, your girl came in hitting, swinging, and not playing. Period. Because if you're not feeding your family, what you doing? Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and end out this video. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. Thank y'all so much for showing love. Really, really appreciate every single one of y'all who take the time out to watch our videos because it means so much to me. See y'all in the next vlog and happy Vlogmas!